Hello friends, what's up? Hope that everything is going very well. I am also well. Today we are going to telling you some T's and words that we use in our daily conversation. My name is Asim Sikdar and I will go for the correct pronunciation. And then
My name is Shwetu Chakma. I will go for the wrong pronunciation.
And
Then
I am Mohammad Mayaz. I will give the Bengali meaning.
so without any further delay, let's get started.
apostle,
Apostle,
Its Bengali meaning is dut.
bouquet,
bouquet,
It means ফুলের তোড়া.
ballet,
ballet,
It means বেলে নাচের দল.
castle,
castle,
It means কেল্লা.
tsunami,
tsunami,
It means tsunami.
butcher,
butcher,
It means কষাই.
catch,
catch,
It means ধরা.
shallot,
chalet,
It means কাঠ দ্বারা নির্মিত কুঠি.
bustle,
bustle,
It means গোলমাল.
bristle,
bristle,
It means শক্ত ক্ষুদ্র শক্ত লোম.
listen,
listen,
It means শোনা.
hustle,
hustle,
It means তাড়াহুড়া করা.
clutch,
clutch,
It means ছো মারা.
crush,
crutch,
It means পঙ্গু লোকদের বগলে লাগিয়ে চলবার লাঠি.
Christmas,
Christmas,
It means বড়দিনের উৎসব.
batch,
batch,
It means দল.
fasten,
fasten,
It means দৃঢ় করা.
depot,
depot,
It means গুদাম বা ভান্ডার.
debut.
debut.
It means প্রথম আবির্ভাব.
So friends, that's all for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.